how to add or remove wireless power share in quick panel on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, open quick settings panel. So just swipe down. Now here, so click on this pen icon. So after click on this pen icon, click on edit. So after click on edit, so if you want to add wireless power sharing, you will see wireless power sharing is here. So if you want to add quick settings panel, so click on wireless power sharing. So after click on wireless power sharing, click on done and again click on done. So you will see after the process wireless power sharing is add on quick settings panel. So after the process, go back to home screen. So if you want to remove wireless power sharing in quick settings panel, so again just swipe down and click on this pen icon and click on edit. You will see power wireless sharing is here. So if you want to remove, so click on this minus icon. So after click on this minus icon, you will see wireless power saving is removed and click on done and again click on done. You will see your process is done. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can add or remove wireless power share in quick panel settings on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.